to the right. And we'll see SF-260 for 40. Now Rick, if I know him well, will extract every little bit of performance out of the SF-260. Little background on Rick. He entered the competition Aerobatic World by storm, winning numerous regional unlimited events, such as the Canadian American Challenge, Flying Pitts, and Sequoia aircraft. He's a former competitive athletic guy too. He believes both solid mind and body are what you need to do if you want to fly competition aerobatics. He was rated in many of the different events, including swimming, speed skating, cross-country skiing, and even bodybuilding, and then even competing in bicycle racing at a world championship level. Everything Rick does is excellent. Now, we mentioned a little earlier that the SF-260 is still in production. But very few of them made it to the United States as Rick pounds the left rudder coming down the other way and gives us a snap roll on the down line. The SF-260 was actually created in the 1960s by Stello Fratton. It was supposed to be an aerobatic aircraft that possessed all the capabilities needed to corporate or contemporary, more importantly, combat aircraft. Something normally not seen as you snap on the upline. Holy smokes! Now, very few Marchettis are actually in civilian hands. It's a low-mounted cantilever wing monoplane configured with a retractable bicycle undercarriage, made ground handling pretty darn easy. Rolls into the inverted. Now he's going to push forward on the stick, pumping all that blood to his head, but he's an athlete. He can take it. Now when you get to see this little airplane up close, it's known as a beautiful Ferrari-like airplane, and excuse me, it's darn sexy. It has jet fighter-like handling. It has everything that a little aerobatic airplane should. The actual seat of the airplane is reclined to allow for G tolerance, much like a fighter. Believes in precision everywhere in his life. And if you've ever been out to Geneseo before, you've actually seen Rick fly. He's been known to fly the submarine Spitfire in a spectacular display of surface-level aerobatics. He's also a member of the Super Canadian Heritage Flight Formation Team and has been known to fly the formation with the CF-18 fighter jet. So Rick's going to reposition out to the right. He brings in the SF-260 part about this. As he stops the airplane, there has to be a fly on the side of the fuselage where he has to add some sort of input to keep it from contacting the ground. It's tougher than it looks. Basically, Rick is looking for complete mastery of the aircraft envelope for the SF-260. If you won't bring it out, this is the barrel roll. Now, believe it or not, 13 different countries employed this aircraft. They were actually used as light attack aircraft during conflicts Chad, Libya, Nicaragua, Philippines, Rhodesia, Sri Lanka, you name it. It was there. 20 countries still maintain these little airplanes for military ops. Now, over 900 of these airplanes were built in Italy. About 35 actually made it to civilian ownership here in the United States. This is just one. Rick, half inverted to half inverted pass, giving you a big look. Did anybody see Rick in the cockpit working hard? Hopefully he'll pop the canopy and as he goes by, he'll hear us cheer for him here in a minute.